Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We're looking at problem 2 or item 2 for our math homework for Monday, October 29, 2012. You have a rectangle drawn here and they want you to use 13 inches for your length and 6 inches for your width. Remember, when we're talking about the length and width, we usually give length the larger number term and we give width the shorter number term. So the length of this rectangle would be 13 inches and the width would be 6 inches. Now this is drawn to scale, meaning if you used a ruler and actually measured it, you would not get that. But for an example, or for this case, they want the rectangle to be 13 inches long, 6 inches wide. And they ask you, what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Remember, perimeter is the distance around something. How do you find the perimeter for polygons? You add the length of all the sides. How many sides do we have? We have 4 sides. So we need to add all 4 of these. Well, there's no number here, but we know that this would be 6 inches because it would be the same length as this side. And we know this would be 13 inches long because it is the same length as this line segment at the top. So now we have 4 numbers to go with our 4 sides. And we can easily add them up here. 13, 13, 6, 6. These are all add-ins because we're about to add them together. Let's start with the smallest place value, which is the ones place. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So we have 18 ones, which is the same as 8 ones, and we would carry our 110 because 10 of those makes one of these. Now in the tens place, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 tens, meaning that the perimeter of this rectangle would be 38, and since they give us a unit, our unit would be inches. Not square inches because we're not dealing with area, except for in this instance. They ask, what is the area of this rectangle? Area is the amount of space that's covered, and is always measured in square units. In this case, our units are inches, so area is going to be measured in square inches. How do we find the area of a rectangle or a square? We would simply multiply whatever the length is times whatever the width is. That would give us the area of our particular rectangle. So what is the length here? 13 inches. What's the width here? 6 inches. Now from doing your fact families, you should already know what 13 times 6 is. But just in case you don't, you can remember that 13 times 6 means to add 6 13 times, and you could also take 13 and add it 6 times because of the commutative property of switching the factors. So we already know that 6 times 10 is 60, 6 times 11 is 66, 6 times 12 is 72, and 6 times 13 would be 78. This would be 78 square inches. Remember, area is always measured in square units. That means 78 squares that are 1 inch long and 1 inch wide could fit inside of this rectangle. So let's make sure we put our answer in the proper space. What is the area of this rectangle? 78 square inches. Alright, if you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.